Hi guys, and welcome back to the Baby Cubby. Today we are going to unbox the new Midnight Doona. We're so excited to be carrying this. It is amazing, it's so beautiful, so we're gonna go ahead and take it out and see what we've got. So I have my trusty box cutters here. And this is the first one that we've opened at our store, so we're pretty excited about it. The best part about this one is because it's like a stroller car seat combo, there's like limited pieces, so it's gonna be pretty easy. Ooh. All right, this is the car seat. Ooh, the color is really pretty actually. You can see some of that diamond in there. This is a vehicle seat protector, so that's really nice. It comes right with that, meaning that it's safe for you to use in your car. I love too, you can see these like leather details. With the regular Doona, this part is just plastic. I'm just gonna be ripping chunks off of this. I really love how this looks too. The hood, like the canopy, is a lot sleeker. It just has a lot more what they call like handmade or like hand stitched details that just make it look really nice. I really love that color. They've added like some leather piping on the canopy that looks really, really beautiful. Let's put this handle up. Ooh, that's really pretty. And then I think in here is gonna be the infant. No, so this is the bag. With the purchase of the Doona Midnight, it's gonna come with an essentials bag, which is gonna kind of be like your classic, like a parent carrier almost when you're using it in stroller mode. So let's go ahead and put it in stroller mode and see how that looks. All right. So once we have it all the way out, they kind of show that the bag can be carried like this. I mean, you could use it as a side bag if you wanted to carry it that way. There are just kind of lots of possibilities for this. It has the same stitching and pattern that's really pretty. I love that they've done their logo in kind of this like darker black chrome color. It's really beautiful. You have room for like a bottle on the side, and you can see inside that it's like got nice padding so it would keep like a drink cold. Inside these two pockets would be perfect for like diapers and wipes, or just like easy grab and go stuff for mom, cell phones, wallet, stuff like that. And then inside here, you've got a ton of space. This looks like, oh, a changing mat, perfect. So really, really smooth texture. This would be super easy to wipe. Inside there's like a little keychain for your keys, a nice big pocket. Again, that really, really easy cleanable material. I like it. That's great. One of the best parts about the Doona base is that everything that's necessary and is kind of like involved in safety is a super bright colors. You can see where everything is really easy. The space is really light, which I really love. And we've got the Doona base guide in here so you can figure out how to install it best in your car. And like I said, I mean, this is a pretty simple unboxing because it's everything all in one. So that's all that we've got in the box. But once you bring it all out, you can see all those gorgeous details. It's ready to take out, be on the go, and we're super excited to have you experience it with us. If you like this product or any of the products that you see in this video, go ahead and shop them at babycubby.com. All orders over $25 ship free. If you like more content like this, you want to see more unboxing, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see, and we'll see you next time.